I'm so excited to see you. Welcome to Toy Time. Whoa! Kei te rongo koutou. It's the Toy Time trumpets. Let's go.
Omar and Buzz, and we got Anika more, yeah, we on my cuz. Oh, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you ride, it runs like time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Mama! Jojo! Buzz! Anika! Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Toy Time. I'm Maya, and today's show is about one of my all-time favourite things in the world, friendship. Ko ngā hoa. Let me introduce you to my friends, Jojo and Tama.
Ko Tama aho, and I love my friends.
I'm Jojo. We are best friends forever. Tahi roa toru. Oh, don't forget our hoa, Mōhio. She's our friend too.
Hey, how many friends can you have?
Let's ask Mōhio. Friends think alike. Bloody rainbow!
Whoa!
Hey, Mōhio.
Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. How can I help?
How many friends can you have?
You can have as many friends as you like, Maya. A friend, he hoa rānei, is someone you like and trust and who makes you feel good.
Well, then you're definitely our friend, Mōhio. We love you, we trust you, and you make us feel good. He tino hoa koe, Mōhio.
He tino hoa koe, Maya.
Come on then, friends. What are we waiting for?
It's toy time. Hoa ke tātou. Friends forever.
Kate the bear, where you ask how are you? It's a way to show how much you care. Share each other's toys, we never argue. Well, sometimes playing games with you until the sun goes to bed. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. Anytime you come over to my house, you just put a smile upon my face. Before you know it's time to go, but what a day. Ka kite anō, can't wait to see you again. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. Friends like us get stronger every day.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Woo! Maya's Hair Salon is now open for business.
Morena, Maya.
Morena, Tama. Welcome to Maya's Hair Salon. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a change. Maybe a new colour or a new style or both. Ngā mea e rua pea.
Kapai, you're in just the right place, and I know what to do.
Okay.
Please, have a seat.
All right.
Okay. Whew. Perfect. Right, let's begin. Here you go, Tama.
Not quite right, Maya.
Oh, Katy Pie, no problem. It's important to get this right for you, Tama.
I can't see anything, so Kyle.
Oh, whoops. Twins!
Nah.
That's not brighten up your day.
I don't think so.
Ta-da!
Karawe! It's perfect. You're a genius. Thanks, Maya.
You're welcome, Tama.
Tēnā koutou, ko Pazahau, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm with my friends from Te Punare o Kaukura. Kore te koutou mō ngā kēmu. Reheko! Ka pai, mō te kēmu tuatai, te kēmu relays. Kia ori te tātou, tai, rua, toru, tīmata! Go, Oma haere, Oma haere.
Mai ho kere me hoki hoa ki ke mai ko. Go ai. Tan mai easy, forward. Hey. Hey, tira mai mai.
Oh. Enoho. Matai ngako, huro. E ho mai tōrenga. Ano. Rawe. Mō te kēmu whakamutunga, te kēmu pā o Tag. Tag, ko koe, you're right. Wow. Ha. Ah! Carl! Ko koe? Ah! Oh! Carl! Well, that's such an amazing day hanging out with all my friends. Ka kite anō whānau.
Kia ora, everyone. We were just about to sing our Phonics Song, but this time in Te Reo Māori. Now, some letters sound a little bit different in Te Reo Māori, so see if you can pick them.
A is for aporo. 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 E is for enoho. 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 He is for hangi. 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 E is for iwi. 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 Ke is for kai. 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 Me is for mama. 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 Ne is for noke. ne, ne, noke, ne, ne, noke, ne, noke. O is for ono, o, ono, o, ono, o, ono. Pe is for peppy, 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 peppy. Re is for reta, 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 reta. Te is for tui, 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 tui. U is for upoko, 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 upoko. We is for weata, 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 weata. Nge is for ngeru, 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 ngeru. Fe is for fano, 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 fano.
There we go. Goodbye. Now I can see my friends even when they're not here.
Knock, knock.
Oh, here's one of my friends now. Who could it be?
Ah!
Oh, it's Buzz the Cuz. Kia ora, Buzz.
Kia ora.
Are you here for tākoro time?
I sure am. Hey, Jojo, why was the Pippi not very good at sharing its toys?
Oh, I don't know. Why?
Because it was a little shellfish.
Hey, lucky for me, you're not shellfish, Buzz. You always share your toys. What have you got to play with today?
Well, it's one of those games that you can't play by yourself. You need a friend to play with.
Oh, me! Oh, katai o ke tākoro koa.
I choose you, Jojo. Reko.
Catch drop!
Yes. Now me.
Oh,
Yes.
nice one, Buzz. Tākoro time is the best. Thanks for bringing your grip ball toy to play with.
Hey, thanks for being my friend so I have someone to play with, Jojo. Otherwise, I'd just be doing this. Go, Buzz! Oh, nice catch, Buzz! Go, Buzz! Oh, caught it! See? Fun, but not that fun. Hey, do you reckon I can catch it with my foot?
Oh, Omar, let's try.
Okay, here, you throw it to me.
Okay,
All right.
ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, it's okay, Buzz. It's pretty tricky balancing on one foot.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try again. Me mahi anō.
Okay. Focus, Buzz. Focus, focus. Get
Yes!
there!
Goodbye, Buzz! Awesome, Buzz. Hey, you're a cool friend to play with, Buzz.
Hey, you're welcome. You're an awesome friend too. Hey, go long. Catch it up.
Catch it up.
Go, Jojo. Oh, Jojo, you all right?
Kia ora hoa ma. I'm Auntie Anika, and this is my friend Jodie. She's feeling pukuriri because I made a mistake and did something that wasn't very nice. Jodie was playing with her toy and I wanted to turn, so I grabbed it and we both pulled and then boom! We all make mistakes. Making mistakes doesn't mean you're a bad friend, okay? The important thing is to say sorry and put things right. Jodie, I'm really, really sorry that I took the toy off you and I broke it. I'm really sorry.
Thanks, Anika. I feel really happy that you said sorry because it makes me have a warm heart.
Yeah?
Because my feelings were hurt before because you didn't ask and you just pulled it and it's my favourite toy.
Yeah.
But I accept your sorry and I'd like to be friends again.
Well, next time I'll ask first and wait for you to let me have a turn.
Okay, great. That sounds good. But hey, well, do you want to help me fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's fix it together. Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Okay, here's one meter.
Thank you.
Meter for me.
Yep.
Screw.
Thank you.
Do you want to do that?
Yes, please. Want to play?
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, crash it.
This is fun. I love dancing with you, Omar. You're my best friend.
You're my best friend too, Wolfie. Would you like me to show you every bunny's favourite dance style?
Oh, yes, please. What's every bunny's favourite dance style, Omar?
It's hip-hop.
Woohoo!
Hit it.
Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Yeah!
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you.
I can't see kids. I like playing with my friends. I really We love the playground. We like climbing. I love playing on the playground. Hi. Dad. I'm up here. Let's stop. The flying fox is fun. So fast. Harry, come up, don't bring your bag. We put the sand in the bucket. We have a sprinkle party. Sprinkle party. Sprinkle party. 1, 2, 3. Sprinkle party. Hey, we going high. We go round and around and around. Everything's better with friends. Bye.
Making your friend a card is a great way to let them know that you care.
Oh, I love getting cards from my friends.
Me too. Who are you making your card for, Jojo?
Tama.
Oh, me too. Psst. Hey, Mōhio. How do you say I love you in te reo Māori?
Tēnā koe, Maya. There are many ways to say I love you in te reo, but my favourite is ka taro hanui au kia koe, which means I love you so much.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Jojo.
How do you say friends forever in te reo Māori?
Friends forever in Māori is he hoa mo ake tonu atu.
Thanks, Mōhio. Hoa mo ake tonu atu. Nice.
Jojo. I made you a card.
Here you go, Maya. I made you a card too.
But you said you were making Tama a card. Dear Maya, taku hoa moake tonu. Friends forever. Love, Jojo. Thank you, Jojo.
You're welcome. To Jojo. Aroha nui au. Kia koe. I love you so much. Love, Maya. Oh. Thanks, Maya.
You're welcome, Jojo. Hey, should we make Tama a card together?
Good thinking.
Okay.
Maybe this one. What should we write?
Dear Tama.
Good start.
Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing la 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 la. It's your favourite song. Oh, I love the song. It's got a good rhythm, don't you think? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? Yes, you can sing le 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 le. It's your favourite song. Sorry, DJ, do you have any more? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing lee 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 lee. It's your favourite song. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing lo 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 lo. It's your favourite song. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing. It's your favourite song. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. Kia ora.
Kia ora koutou. Today's What's in the Box is the Friend Edition. Maya and Jojo are both going to put their hands in and we're going to see who can be the first one to guess what it is.
Maya's really good at this game. She's probably going to win.
You're really good at this game too, though, Jojo. No, Rada, let's both just do our best.
May the best person win. Guarite, I'll count down from 3. Toru, rua, tahi, go.
Oh, okay. It's not quite liquid and it's not quite solid. It's a bit of both.
It's slippery, gloopy, and slimy.
It's slime!
Tika Tony, you both got it. It's slime time.
Come on, Nella. They're going. We're gonna be killing This way. This way.
Door closing. Floor 0. Door opening.
Door clear. Now, pass it to that. Yeah. Bunny. To action. Okay. Let's do names. Bunny. Yeah? Có my name on it, Bunny.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is Story Time. Today's story is about Tavita's friend, Siola'a, and the beautiful sunflowers. Tavita ran outside to meet his friend, Siola'a, who had come to his whale for a playdate. Mahalo e lele, Siola'a, Tavita greeted her. Talofa lava, Tavita, she replied. Slip, slop, slap, Tavita's mum said as she put a sun hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen on him. Siola'a also had her sun hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen. They chanted as they marched around the garden. Slip, slop, slap. Slip, slop, slap. Slip, slop, slap. They were having so much fun. In Tavita's garden, there were tall yellow sunflowers. Siola'a told Tavita that her name in Tongan meant sunflower, and they both ran to look at the swaying flowers. Some of the flowers were so big they were the size of their heads, others the size of their hands. Siola'a told Tavita all about how tall they grow, how sunny the yellow petals are, and how many different insects live in the sunflowers, like tiny ants and busy bees. When it was time for Siola'a to go home, Tavita's mum gave her some sunflowers to take. Tavita waved goodbye to her, and Siola'a and her sunflowers waved back. Topa soipoa. See you next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe